to another video, and today we're going to open some Yu-Gi Custom Booster Packs. This is part 1, obviously. Let's upload, this is pack number 1 of Yu-Gi. If you want to see, it says Yu-Gi right here, so you can't see it. It's time to do 1, 2, 3. It's basically like Pokemon cards. Okay. Oh, this card looks really cool, actually. Oh, this looks even cooler. Look, you see those? I think these are like swords, I think, from like Call of Duty or something. I don't know. And this is like a character going like up and pointing at something. Oh, this doesn't really look good. Ooh, rare. I mean, that is cool. I got an ultra rare. It's golden. See how rare that is? And I wanted to always pull this card. It's like this golden one, but it's like this, but it's a different character. He's like a samurai knight, and he's like doing this. And he's a rare, and he's gold, and he's a ultra rare, mega rare, because it's basically like that. And we got these 2 cards, these 2 free cards, and let's do started to the next pack. Some of these packs actually broke while I was opening them, so don't mind them broken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, nothing bad. Ooh, nice. I'm gonna flip that up. And ooh, this is one of the cards I wanted. Is this card stuck to this, I think? Is it? Now, ooh! 2 cards I wanted. And see, this one's actually really cool. Well, I think this is a sacrifice. You sacrifice 3 zombies. This is to make like your big one stronger. Oh! See, Scorpion Luxury? Scorpion Dragon? That's a bit weird. Another gold one. Really amazing. Time to open the second one. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh god. Oh god. This pack is like so much good ones. Oh my god. This is so much good packs in them. There's gonna be a part 2 to this, so just tune after this video. Just in 15 minutes and 58. Nothing good out of that pack. I don't want to show you guys. But I'm gonna show you. So let's open. It's my brother's birthday today, so can you subscribe to my channel and make this subscribe? Just type in Stories of Ahil, and it'll come up. Nice. Ooh, gold. Oh. I think this is a Dollar Tree pack. Yes, I found it. Guys, I found it. This is oh, I think I was wrong actually. This is actually a god card. This is a god. Look how amazing that is. It's just like thunder shots. Really fun, actually. Dollar Tree pack. Nothing in there. Ooh, we already got this, I think. Oh god, this is really cool actually. Subscribe and like this video, and I hope you in the next chapter. Guys, this is the last booster pack, and we're gonna open another one in chapter 2.